guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. Today just wanted to go over our new consignment. It's a 2015 Ford F250. It's got the 6.2 liter flex fuel engine, 173,000 miles roughly. It's the XLT. Right now just doing a walk around, show condition and stuff. It's got a couple of scratches here and there. As you can see, the first one, the biggest dent or scratch is right here on the back passenger door here. So get kind of a close-up of that. And then the little scratch right here. The video makes it look a little bit more extreme than it really is, but overall this truck is really beautiful. It's had a couple of things done to it, so it's got two new cats, had a lot of front end work done. I'll put more in the description below there in the video. It's got a dent right here. It's the F250 Super Cab, so it's got 4 full doors, really spacious inside. Truck bed looks good. It's got a 5th wheel mount on there. Tread looks decent. It's a frame. It's had 2 new cats put on. It's got a clean title, of course. Inside looks great. Door panel plastics and everything look good. Seats look good. $173 roughly on the odometer. Dash looks good, free of cracks. Lots of storage in this. Third seat in the middle. Headliner looks great. No sagging or tears or anything. Couple of spots here on the door. Couple of spots on the other side too, on the handle there. Do a quick start up here. Starts up as it should. Heat works great, AC works. It's got a backup camera here. That works as well. Testing out the windows. Those all work good. back ones. (2015) Ford F250 XLT flex fuel. You can find this at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in beautiful Boise, Idaho. You can ask for me. My name is Reagan. You can give us a call at 208-336-1234. Thanks, guys.